Hi, my name is Keith Marino, and I am a developer for Alpha Media Inc. And what I'm going to be showing you today is a demo on how the AlphaEntry app can be used in addition to the AlphaEntry software in an apartment building. Just to give you a brief explanation on what AlphaEntry is. AlphaEntry is an apartment building entry system that allows visitors to a building to use a touchscreen to easily call up to the resident they're visiting to get entry into a building. What you're looking at now is the AlphaEntry software running on a Windows PC. This particular demo is set up as a concierge type of entry using a keyboard and mouse instead of a visitor touchscreen. I'll be using this iPhone for the demo. On this phone, I've already logged in to the AlphaEntry app with the email address and password for the resident, Eric Cunningham. When any visitor or a concierge first comes to the AlphaEntry screen, they will see a welcome screen similar to this. Once they touch the welcome screen, they will get a list of all the residents in the building. They can easily find the resident they're visiting by scrolling down, or they can filter the list by typing in the resident's name or suite number using the on-screen keyboard or their PC's keyboard. I am going to type 101 for the apartment that Eric Cunningham is in. Then I'll click on his name. I will then see any calling options that are available to contact this resident. I'm going to click the button to call the intercom in his apartment. At that point, what happens is a call is placed to the resident's apartment intercom, and at the same time, a push notification is sent to their phone. If the resident is in their apartment, they can answer the call from their intercom, or if they're not home or they're just not near their intercom, they can swipe the push notification, and they will see a live video of who is calling them. From this screen, they have a couple of options. They can just ignore the call if they do not want to speak with their visitor at this time. They can answer the call to talk with their visitor. And if the entry is equipped with a door release, they can unlock the door to let their visitor into the building. The call is ended once they have either unlocked the door or clicked the end call button. They can then click the close button to close the screen. This app also gives you a simple way for a building to send messages to a resident. For example, if your building has a concierge who accepts packages or any type of deliveries for a resident, when a resident gets a delivery, all the concierge needs to do is click on that resident, and then click on the package icon and add the type of package. A push notification will then be sent to the resident with a message saying they have a delivery. You can also swipe the message to see the full text. In addition, custom messages can be sent to individual residents or to all the residents at once. To send a message to all the residents at once, a concierge can click on the message icon and enter the text to send to all the residents. And acknowledge you want to send it to all the residents. And a push notification will be sent with that text. For more details on AlphaEntry and on any of the features and functionality, please see alphaentry.com. Thank you.